The purpose of the SNIA NVM Technical Working Group is to prepare the way for the adoption of new persistent memory technologies by creating a behavioral model for those technologies as viewed from an application point of view. There are a number of new technologies emerging that go beyond the current capabilities of flash, but they require some changes in the way applications and other types of software manipulate those technologies. So since there are long lead times on software, we decided some years ago to begin paving the way by specifying behaviors of hardware as viewed by that upper level software. That way we can be technology and operating system agnostic while still creating an evolving ecosystem of components and software that work together. Currently, flash works actually similarly to current disk technology, whereas persistent memory works more like current memory technology. It's about an order of magnitude or perhaps more faster, and it crosses some thresholds in terms of system architecture so that you can build systems in a different way, and allows them to function with much higher performance. So that's why it's important, and it kind of ripples through not only software architecture and memory architecture, but also a little bit about processors and in some cases networking as well. So it's actually a pretty significant shift in technology, and it creates new opportunities in terms of how applications store data and recover it in the event of power loss or failure. SNIA is not in the business of networking standards. We're not processor architects, but from the point of view of persistent memory and storing data in persistent memory, we can describe requirements and use cases from an application point of view that inspire new innovation in both processors and networks. So that's the role that we've been playing, as a sort of phase two. Having described the programming model, we're now playing a role of expressing new requirements for networks and processors in order to completely, roll out and get the full advantage of the programming model.